I'm Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that'll murk off your click. I'm Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that will murk off your click. Nature Roots, you know who it is. A one-man army known for shooting up shit. If it don't involve a trigger, I'm not recruiting shit. Got the block jumping by myself like a pogo stick. You could tell I get chips, backing it up, shooting trips, putting oil in my wrist, making flips, taking a risk for these bricks. I keep extended clips in every firearm. I grip it's a concrete jungle, so I bear arms in this bitch. Aim so accurate to wipe out your whole clique. I feel like a heat wave, how I'm burning up shit. Feel like a hurricane, how I'm turning up shit. I'm drowning the block with cane because it makes sense. I chop down trees for my dead presidents. Like George Washington, I'm on my lumberjack shift. Holla at me if you need some cherry. You know Nature Roots, keep them berries. Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that'll murk off your click. I'm Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that will murk off your click. Nature Roots, #1 sharpshooter. I rise with the Ruger, let them bullets shoot through you. Me being an intruder, moving in on your crew. I'll twist your neck like soda caps, then pop you. While you bubble up like Mountain Dew, twist your neck one more time. Watch you squirt like phones do. You don't know herb, got flow like smoke do. Step in my lane and feel how I damage you. Put a hole in your throat, then watch you choke blue. Feel the head rush I deliver, that will make you. Buck the eyelids wide, then shut close. Who ever said fuck money, them niggas hoes do. Like I said, when I see you and you see me, be prepared cause I'm strapped like 2 double D's. Know the reason why I'ma bust him cause he got a fucking bubble head. They call me herb cause I got much of mouth and I'll damage your head. Rock your eyes low to see your ass straight to bed. They say an open mouth always get fucking fed. That's why I cook the beef and feed the head from the lead. Leave his ass wet and shaky like he done pissed the bed. And when I want that bread, nigga, I want it real quick. That's why his arms and legs spread it like the fucking Miracle Whip. Niggas want beef, I'll make the deliver quick. Make a nigga say oh shit when he hit my wheels grip. I got that steel shit, that'll rip and kill shit. Have a nigga squealing cause he heard the fucking real spit. And I got deals on this shit, 40 calves that'll eject your soul out your body like a VCI. Now which one you niggas wanna see me now? That the block taped up all around. You know how I get down in Flint Town. Make a nigga strip down for them fucking chips, clown. I'm Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that'll murk off your click. I'm Nature Roots. Fuck who you is, I'm really ruthless. I bust off these clips in the Buick, rolling sub in my shit. A woman on me that will murk off your click.